Welcome to our maths class. So students, we will wait for 2 minutes. Let's other students also join us and we will continue with our maths lecture. Okay. So, yes, what we have learned in our last lecture, student? Yes, lesson number 6 we have done. So, students, we have done the revision of lesson number 6. Today we are going to do revision of lesson number 5. Okay, from 18th onward your exams are starting, right? Yes or no? Yes. So we are doing revision from starting from today onwards. So we will do today lesson number 5, tomorrow again lesson number 6, and we will continue it. Okay. So all the students are going to open lesson number 5. Okay. Okay. So students, now let's start with our lecture. I'm sharing the screen with you. Just a minute. Are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen, students? No? Okay, just a minute. Now tell me, are you able to see the screen or not? Please tell me in the chat box. Are you able to see the okay, yes, okay. So let's start with it. So welcome to our maths class. And today we are going to learn maths lesson number 5, comparing numbers. What we are going to learn? Maths lesson number 5, comparing numbers. Okay. So students, what did you see in the picture? Yes, what it is there? Some children are there, right? Some children are there in the picture. So students, see, we are going to read out this sentence. What is given? Color the box under the picture having more children. So we have to color for the box under the picture which is having no children. So you see two boxes are given to us. In which box there are more children given? Yes, in which box there are more children given. For that, what we are going to do? For that, we are going to start counting it. For that, what we will do? We are going to count it. So let's start counting it. In first box, how many children are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here, 5 children are there. Over here, how many children are there? 5 children are there, right? And over here, 1, 2. Here, 2 children are there. So, students, which is more? Yes, which is the greater number, 5 or 2? Yes, 5 or 2? 5, right? So, here there are more children. Here there are more children. So what we are going to do? We are going to do a color for the first box over here. Here we will do the color for the first box. Okay. Now Let's move further to the next one. So see here there are more children, so we have colored for this box, and here only two children were there. So as compared to this, here there are less children. So here we are not going to color for this box. Now let's see the next one. What it is given next one? Yes, boats are there, right? Both the box you can see boats are there, right? So what we have to do? Color the box below the picture having less boats. What we have to do? Color the box below the picture having less boats. So here we are going to color for the box which is having less boats. So for that what we will do? For that we are going to count it. So start counting it. 1, 2, 3. Here there are 3 boats. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boats. So which is greater? Which number is bigger, students? 6 or 3? 6 is bigger and 3 is smaller. Smaller means less, right? So 3 is lesser number. So we are going to color for this box. Here there are only 3 boats, right? So 3 is less than 6. So we will color for this box because here it is written color the box below the picture having less boats. So 3 is less than 6. So we are going to color for this box. Now let's move further to the next one. What it is given over here? Yes. What it is given in the picture? Yes, some birds are there in the picture, right? So let's read out what we have to do. Color the box below the picture having more birds. What we have to do? We have to color for the box below the picture which is having more birds. So which picture is having more birds, student? So we will count the birds first, okay? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this box, 6 birds are there. And over here, 1, 2, 3. Here 3 birds are there. So students, which box is having more birds? Yes. 6 is more than 3 or 3 is more than 6? Tell me. 6 is more than 3, right? 6 is a bigger number, right? So we are going to color for this box. Here there are 6 birds. So we will color for this box because here we have to color for the box below the picture having more birds. So this box is having more birds. So we are going to color for this box. Okay. Now the next one. Here what we are going to learn? Here we are going to learn one-to-one pairing means one-to-one pairing means what? Both the group objects are given. We have to pair from group A to group B. We are going to join the lines. Okay, you can see over here in the picture. From group A, we have joined it to the group B. We have pair these things, right? Okay, now let us pair the boards in group A and group B. So we are going to pair the boards in group A to group B. Okay, so see over here. First one, it is done for this one, here for this, and this one for this. Now you can see over here, see, here boats are remaining. No, your boats are finished in group A. But in group B, still boats are remaining, right? So, see, by joining one boat in group A with one boat in group B, we observe that the boats in group A are over. We had observed this, right? Boat in group A are over, right? But some boats in group B are remaining. See, these boats are remaining in group B, right? Here in group A, boats are over. But in group B, the boats are still remaining. So, it means that boats in group B are more. It means that the boats in group B are more. In which group the objects are remaining, it means that group is having more objects. And in which groups the object has been finished, it means that group is having less object. Now see over here, your boats are finished. It means here there are less boats. But over here, the boats are still remaining. It means here there are in this group there are more boats. So here less boats and over here more boats. Okay. Pairing help us to decide more or less. Now we are pairing these objects, right, from group A to the group B. It helps us for what to understand which group is more or which group is less. It helps us to understand which objects are in which group the objects are more and in which group the objects are less. Okay. Now the next one, let's see pair the boats in group A and group B and observe. Now we are going to pair the boat in group A and group B. So you can see this first one, it is paired to this one. Second one over here. Third one, it is over here. Fourth, you can see over here. Fifth one over here. Sixth one, you can see over here. The seventh one to this one, yeah, 8 1, 9 1. Now you can see in group A, boat had been finished, but in group B, see, you can see this one is remaining. This one is still remaining. Here, in group A, it is finished, but in group B, one is remaining. So, what we are going to do, the boats in which group are over? Which group boats are over? Students tell me. In group A, right? In group A, boats are over. Color the box under the group which has less boats. So just now I had told you what I had told you, students. Yes, in which group there are less objects, the objects has been finished. But in another group, the objects are remaining. It means what, student? There are more objects. So over here, we have to color for the box under the group which has less boats. So which group we are going to color, students? Yes, here the boats are finished. It means it is less one and one boat is remaining. It means it is move. So we will color for this box, right? Because here there are less boats. So let's do a color for this one. So see, here there are less boats and here more. Okay. So students, what we have learned over here? Here we have learned one-to-one pairing. Now we are going to learn increasing and decreasing order. So we are going to learn increasing means what I had explained you first also. Increasing means smaller number to the bigger number and decreasing means what? Bigger number to smaller number. So see here who is sitting, Rama is sitting over here and she had made a tower of the given blocks. So we have to help her to arrange the blocks, to count the blocks. Okay, so first one, see over here, one block, so she has written one over here. Here, how many blocks are there? Count it with me. 1, 2. So here we are going to write 2. Next one, how many it is? 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 it is written over here. Okay. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many it is? 4. So we are going to write 4 over here. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here, 5 blocks are there. So we are going to write 5 over here. What we will write? 5. Next, already 6 it is written here. There are 6 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we are going to write 7. Next, there are 8 blocks and see over here it is given 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here there are how many blocks? 9. So I'm writing 9 over here. Okay. So students, here what we have learned? Here we have learned numbers from 1 to 9 in increasing order. See, here we have learned numbers from 1 to 9, right? And it is in which order? It is in increasing order, smaller number to the bigger number. Now students, if you reverse this number, if all these numbers, if you will do reverse, you will reverse it, you will get it in decreasing order. See how you will get it? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is bigger to smaller. From if you count from 9 to 1, it is bigger to smaller. So it is decreasing order. And from this side, it is increasing order. From this side, it is decreasing order. Okay. Now, observe this number. What we have to do, we have to observe this number. See, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Which order is this? 7 is bigger number and 3 is smaller number. So, bigger to the smaller. Bigger to smaller means which order, students? Decreasing order. Which order? Decreasing order. Okay. Now, see over here. Here, write in increasing order. So, we have to write in the increasing order. 5 is given to us. So increasing order means smaller to bigger. So after 5, which number is bigger, students? 6, then 7, then 8, and then 9. So students, see this number, they are in increasing order. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now the next one, we have to write this in decreasing order. Decreasing order means how we are going to write? We are going to write it in bigger number to smaller number. So here 9 is given. So after before 9, which smaller number comes? 8. Then 7. Then 6. And then 5. Okay. So this is bigger number to smaller number. This is what? Bigger number to the smaller number. It is called which order, students? It is decreasing order. It is called decreasing order. Okay. Now students, we have seen this from our textbook. Now we are going to do revision of workbook lesson number 5. Okay. So let's start with our workbook lesson number 5, comparing numbers. Now, first question, what it is given to us? Multiple choice question. What it is there? Multiple choice question. So, let's read out the question first. You are going to repeat after me. Which vehicle has more wheels than a car? Which vehicle has more wheels than a car? So, which vehicle is having more wheels than a car? So, see over here, options are given to us. Here there is a bicycle given. Your auto rickshaw is there, your tricycle and bus. So, from this, all 4 vehicles, which vehicle is having more wheels than a car? So, car is having how many wheels? 4 wheels. So, more than 4 wheels we have to find out. So, here for bicycle, only 2 wheels are there. For your auto rickshaw, 3 wheels. For tricycle over here, 3 wheels. But for bus, there are 6 wheels given over here. So what we are going to do? We will tick for the C, bus, and here we are going to write in the bracket C. Here we will write in the bracket C. The correct answer is C, bus, because bus has more wheels than a car. From the given picture, bus is having more wheels than a car. Okay. So see, you can see over here C. The correct answer is C. Next one, what is given? The number less than 4 is dash. So the number less than 4 is dash. So which number is less than 4, students? See, the options are given over here. 9, 8, 6, 0. So 9 is less than 4? No, 9 is bigger than 4. More than 4. 8 is also more than 4. 6 is also more than 4. 0 is less than 4. So here we are going to write 0, and in the bracket over here we will write D. So D is 0. The number less than 4 is D 0. Okay. Now the next one. The number 7 is dash 5. The number 7 is dash 5. The number 7 is what 5, students? More than 5, less than 5, equal to 5. Yes, students. The number 4 is the number 7 is less than 5. No, number 7 is bigger, but 5 is smaller. So no, this will not come. The number 7 is more than 5. what it will come? The number 7 is more than 5. So here we are going to write B, more than 5. The number 7 is more than 5. So see here D 0 and over here B more than 5. Okay. Now students, just now we have seen what we have seen, multiple choice question. Now let's learn the fill in the blanks. What we are going to learn? Fill in the blanks. So see over here. The pattern 9876 is in which order? Is in dash order. What it is written? The pattern 9876 is in dash order. So students, tell me it is in which order? 9, 8, 7, 6. So 9 is bigger number, 6 is smaller number, right? So bigger number to smaller number means decreasing order, right? So here we will write decreasing order. What we will write? Here we are going to write decreasing order. Okay. The pattern 9876 is in decreasing order. The next one, the pattern 0123 is in dash order. The pattern 0123 is in dash order. So it is in which order, students? The pattern 0123. The pattern 0123 is in increasing order. 0 is smaller number, 3 is bigger number, right? So small to big means which order? Means increasing order. So this is increasing order. So here we are going to write increasing. Okay. So the pattern 0, 1, 2, 3 is in increasing order. The number 3 is dash then 7. The number 3 is dash then 7. So number 3 is more than 7, equal to 7 or less than 7. Yes. Number 3 is less than 7. Number 3 is less than 7. So you can see over here. See, decreasing. The pattern 9876 is in decreasing order. The pattern 0123 is in increasing order. And the number 3 is less than 7. Number 3 is less than 7. Okay. Now students, let's move further to the next sum. What is given? Do as directed. What is given? Do as directed. So, what it is written over here? See, seventh question, tick the correct boxes. What it is written? Tick the correct boxes. So, we have to tick for the correct answer. So, let's read out the first question. Less than 5 marbles. We have to tick for the box where there are less than 5 marbles. So here see, you can see 2 plates are there. Yes, in both the plates marbles are given. So in which place there are less marbles, students? Less than 5. So let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the first plate there are 6 marbles. And over here 1, 2, 3. Yet 3 marbles are there. So students, 6 is more than 5 or less than 5? 6 is bigger number. So 6 is more than 5. But 3 is smaller number. So 3 is less than 5. So we are going to tick for the box over here where there are 3 marbles. Okay. Here we have to, what we have to do, see, less than 5 marbles. So here we have done the tick for the less than 5 marbles. Okay. So see, you can see over here in the picture. Now the next one, what we have to do? Yes, what we have to do? Increasing order. We have to tick for the increasing order. So where is the increasing order? Which is the increasing order over here? Yes. What do you see in the picture? Faces are there? Yes. Now tell me which one is the increasing order? This one or this one? Yes. This one or this one? What I have told you? Smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller? Smaller smaller to bigger. See, 1, then 2, then 1 to 3, then 4. Smaller number to bigger number means increasing order. So we are going to take for this one. This is increasing order. This one is increasing order. Okay. So see over here. Now the next one. Here what we have to do, the number that is less than 6. We have to tick for the number that is less than 6. Now see over here, two numbers are given, 4 and 8, right? Yes, 4 and 8. So which number is less, students, than 6? 4 is less than 6 or 8 is less than 6? Yes. Which number is less? 4 is less than 6 or 8 is less than 6? 8 is more than 6, right? 8 is a bigger number, but 4 is small number. So 4 is less than 6. So we are going to take for the number 4. Okay, here we have tick for number 4 because 4 is less than 6. Okay. Now what it is given over here? The group with more bicycle. What we have to do? We have to tick for the group with the more bicycle. So in both the group you can see bicycle. Now it is very confusing, right? To count over here. So what we are going to count? See the seats are over here given. Count this. It will be easy to count. Okay. If this sums come in exam, then also you are going to count like this only. Okay. So start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here 5 it is. Here 1, 2, 3. 3. So what we have to do? The group with more bicycles. So we have to tick for the group which is having more bicycles. So which group is having more bicycle, students? 5 or 3? So which one is bigger? 5 is bigger or 3? 5 is bigger, right? So 5 is bigger. So it means here there are more bicycles. So we are going to tick for this one. Okay. We are going to tick for this one. 5 is more than 3. Okay. So see over here. Now the next one, what it is given? Decreasing order. What it is given? Decreasing order. So we have to tick for the decreasing order. So you can see over here. Yes, some girls are playing football in the picture, right? So tell me which is the decreasing order? This one or this one? So see, small to big. Yeah, big to small. So for decreasing order, what I had told you, decreasing order means one, what? Bigger to smaller. Bigger number to the smaller number. It is called decreasing order, right? So see, this one is small to big, but this one is big to small. So this one is decreasing order. So we are going to tick for this one. Okay. This is decreasing order. See. Now the next one. Here what we are going to do? We are going to match it. We have to match the following over here. So let's read out the first one. What it is given? 5 is less than dash. 5 is less than dash. What it is given? See over here. 5 is less than which number? See, 9 it is there. 5 is less than 9, right? So here we are going to draw a line to D. 9. 5 is less than 9. Okay. Now 8 is dash than 0. 8 is dash than 0. Means what, student? 8 is less than 0. 8 is smaller number? No. 8 is more than 0? Yes, 8 is more than 0. So we are going to draw a line to see more. Okay, next one. 1, 2, 3, 4 are dash. What is given? 1, 2, 3, 4 are dash. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are dash. Means what, students, are in which order? 1, 2, 3, 4 are in increasing order, right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4 are in increasing order. Next one, 9, 8, 7, 6 are in which order, students? 9, 8, 7, 6 are in decreasing order. So see over here, we are going to draw a line to E decreasing order. Next one, 0 is dash than 1. 0 is less than 1. 0 is less than 1. Okay. So here what we have learned? Here we have learned match the following. See, 5 is less than 9. 8 is more than 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 are in increasing order. 9, 8, 7, 6 are in decreasing order. And 0 is less than 1. Okay. So here we have done. Here what we have learned as the following. Now let's move further to the next sum. Write any two numbers that are less than 9. So we have to write any two numbers less than 9. So any number you can write, but before 9, which number comes before 9 you can write. After 9, 10, 11, 12 you cannot write because they are the bigger numbers. After 9, whichever number comes 10, 11, 12, you cannot write over here because they are bigger number. But before 9, from 1 to 8, you can write any number because they are smaller than 9. They are less than 9. So you can write it on your own. So I am writing 2, 5, 6. Any two numbers you can write. Okay. Now the next one, what it is given? Draw circles in increasing order. We have to draw the circle in the increasing order. Increasing order means what? Smaller number to bigger number, right? Smaller number to the bigger number. So here one it is given. Then two circles are there. So next what we will draw? We'll draw three circles. 1, 2, 3. Then after that, how many circles we will draw? After 3, which number comes? 4, right? So 1, 2, 3, here 4. So you can see over here, smaller to bigger. You can see over here, smaller to bigger. This is increasing order. Which order is this? This is increasing order. You can see in the picture. Now the next one, here we have to write missing number. Okay, so here 7 is given and before 7, 6 it is written over here. So here 6 it is written, so here 7 is there. So after 7, which number comes? 8. Then 9. Here 6 before 6, 5, here 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So see here we have written missing number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bigger number to the smaller number. This is decreasing order. Which order is this? This is decreasing order. Okay. Now the next one, here we have to write the missing number. Write the numbers that are less than, more than given numbers. So yes, 7 is given. So before 7, which number comes? Yes, 6. Yeah, 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ten. Okay. Next one. Your 5 is given. So your 4, your 3, then 3, 4, 5, your 6, and your 7. Okay. You're writing missing number. Next one. Your 6 it is given. 7, 8, 9. Okay. So here we have done missing number. So see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's move further to the next one. See, here we have to find out it is in which order, right? So see, here we are going to count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So bigger to smaller means which order, students? It means decreasing order. So here I am writing D for decreasing. Next one, here were two blocks, then 3, 4, 5. So 2 to 5 means bigger, smaller to bigger. It means increasing order. So I'm writing I over here. Okay. And this one smaller to bigger, it means increasing again. So you can see over here, first one it was decreasing, second one it was increasing, and third one also increasing. Okay. Next one, the last sum over here. Shreya is putting stickers in a book. Shreya is putting stickers in a book. She put one sticker on Monday, two stickers on Tuesday, three stickers on Wednesday, four stickers on Thursday, and five stickers on Friday. How much stickers she will put on Sunday? So students, on Friday, how many stickers she had put it? Tell me five. So after Friday, which day comes? Saturday. So Saturday she will put six, right? And on Sunday she will put seven. So here we are going to write 7. Okay. The answer is 7. So see, the correct answer is 7. Shreya put it 7 stickers on Sunday. Okay. So students, what we have learned today? Yes. Yes, what we have learned today, chapter number 5. Have you all understood it? Have you all understood this chapter properly? Yes. So, students, for homework, you are going to practice this all sums from chapter number 5. Okay? Yes, very good, students. Okay. Are you having any queries in it? Okay. No. Very good. So, students, you have understood properly. So, we will meet in our next lecture now. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.